Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. Today I am going to solve problem number 6 from the textbook. In this problem, you have to concentrate in two entries. One is that profit and loss account, because in problem profit and loss is given little bit different and there is one adjustment. So, you should consider to the profit and loss account, and another one is that commission to manager. These two entries you should concentrate accurately. Okay. Let us start the question. In last problem we have solved and there was a loss in the problem, but in this problem we can see there is a profit. Therefore, I made one problem on the loss and another problem on the profit, and there are two adjustments in this problem. So, you should concentrate, and when I take those two entries you have to see again and again, then you can understand easily, right. Let us start the question. First, read the question. What it is saying? Lokesh and Azad are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:3:2. See here, in this problem ratio is given, but in the last problem he said the profit sharing ratio according to capital, means whose capital is more they should get more profit, whose capital is less they should get less profit. Therefore, in that problem he said according to capital ratio, but here he has given the ratio 3:2. Next, he has given capital amount, capitals of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000, 50,000 and 30,000. Whose 50,000? Lokesh capital is 50,000 and Azad capital is 30,000, right. Next, we will see, we do not take a capital amount in profit and loss account. Why we do not take? Because that is not expenses, not income. Therefore, in profit and loss appropriation account we will not take capital amount and drawings amount, but we take interest on capital and interest on drawings amount. Therefore, see here, we will not take a capital amount, but we take interest on capital. Again, see here, interest on capital is agreed to be paid at 6%. See here, it is clearly given the interest on capital is 6%. So, first we should calculate, because first entry it has given interest on capital, we can take easily, take that one as interest on capital. First we have to give interest on capital to Lokesh. Take Lokesh, his capital is 50,000, calculate 6% interest, 50,000 into 6 divided by 100. Here we have calculated, just see, 50,000 capital and 6% is the interest, right. Next, total amount 3,000, and next Azad, interest on capital to Azad 30,000 into 6 by 100, that is the 1,800, right. Make both total amount will be 4,800. It is the interest on capital to be given to the partners from the business, right. Next, see, again after giving the interest on capital, just concentrate, Azad is allowed a salary of rupees 2,500 per annum. Concentrate this one, he is saying per annum, not per month. Okay, concentrate this, PA means per annum, per annum means yearly salary to Azad. In last problem you have seen that monthly salary, monthly, if in the problem it is given as monthly salary, then we have to calculate for 12 months, but he has given 2,500 per annum. If he works for 1 year, then he can get salary of 2,500 for whole 1 year. but in last problem we saw that monthly salary, if it is given in the problem as monthly salary, then we have to calculate for 12 months, but it has given yearly per annum. Per annum means we have to calculate only for, we have to take direct amount 2500 as salary. Take salary, whom salary? To Azad. How much? 2500 we have to take directly, right? This one is next. During 2013, the profit prior, concentrate this, profit prior means before to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Azad salary. What it is saying means, in this problem we have got profit prior means before calculation of interest on capital, means before charging interest on capital we got profit 12,500, but after charging Azad salary, Azad salary means we have already deducted the Azad salary rupees 2500. After deducting Azad salary we got 12,500. If we add that 2500 means the total profit will be 15,000. Therefore, in our business we got the profit 15,000. How means? Because after deducting the salary of Azad, the profit is 12,500. If we did not deduct the Azad salary, then 12,500 plus 2,500. Just see here. Here I will go to calculate profit and loss account. How much profit we have to take? 12,500, the given in the problem. In this amount we have to add 2,500. What is the 2,500 amount? Because Azad salary, in that 12,500 already we have deduct that 2,500 salary. Now we have to calculate total profit before charging the salary of Azad. Just see, total profit is 15,000, right? Next we have to take here 15,000 as a profit and loss account. How? 12,500, that is the profit given after the charging of salary. Now we have to add salary 2,500, the total profit is that 15,000, like this. Okay, this entry you have to see again and again, little bit twist is there. And what after what it is saying, a provision of 5% of profits. From the profit there is a 5% provision. What is that provision? Profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission. See, 5% manager's commission. On which 5%? On the profit. We have to calculate 5% commission of manager on the profit, right? What is the profit? 15,000. Don't take 12,500. In 12,500 we have to add 2,500 Azad salary, right? Next take 12,500 commission to manager. 12,500 into 5 divided by 100. What will be the answer? 750. Now we have taken that Azad salary also. Just concentrate, all entries has taken. Next what he is saying, prepare account showing the allocation of profits and partners account. Just see here, all entries we have taken. Now we have to calculate which side is more. Just if you see, credit side is more, 15,000. We have to calculate that amount first, and next same as it is right here, same amount 15,000. In this 15,000 we have to deduct this amount, make minus. After deducting, the answer will be 6,950. That is net profit or profit, that is profit to be transferred. Whom to transfer? To the partner's capital account. Just see, we have to divide or distribute the profit to Lokesh and Azad. Lokesh profit is 6,950 into 3 by 5. How it come 3 by 5? Because in the problem he is given 3:2. The profit ratio, profit sharing ratio is given. So 3 by 5 4170, and Azad, we have to give Azad salary, sorry, Azad profit 6950 into 2 by 5, that is the 2780. I hope you can understand this problem easily. If you won't understand, then if you did not understand the problem, please see this problem again and again. If you have any doubts, any questions, I have given my WhatsApp number and email ID in the description box. And if you want to guide me, if you want to give any opinion about these videos, please suggest me in the comment box, or you may send SMS through WhatsApp, or you can send emails. If you like my video, if you understand little bit, then forward to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.